Okay, now look at B part. Rupees 5 is 250 paisa. Again, you can see one is given in rupees and other one is given in paisa. It means I have to make the units again similar. I told you that we always make the unit similar by changing the bigger unit into a smaller one. So here paisa is smaller and rupees is bigger. So definitely I will change this rupees also into paisa. But before changing it, I should know my conversion unit. Again, I will look back at it. Says 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. I will come back to my question. I will write solution over here. I will write the original unit. Okay, original unit will always remain same. It means first step you have to learn and you can write simply. Whenever I get 2 units, I will say 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. This I have to learn, this I should know that my 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. It cannot change. ठीक है, 1 रुपया हमेशा 100 पैसा के बराबर ही है. So 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. Now you will see how many rupees is given over here in question. 5 rupees. So I told you whatever the number is given in your question, you will write over here 5 rupees is equals to, I told you, you will multiply this with this whatever given in question with the unit. So 5 multiplied by 100 is equals to 500 paisas. My conversion is done. Now I will write my original question. So now instead of rupees 5, what I will write? 500 paisa, because I converted rupees 5 into paisa. So 500 paisa is equals to 50 paisa. Now my both the units, is 2. Now my both the units are similar. It means I can simply simplify it. 0 cancels from 0. 50 is left over here, is 2, 5 is left over here. Now I will solve it, divide by 5 is 2. 5 tens are 50, 5 ones are 5. Now I cannot simplify it further, it means this is my answer. I will write the unit over here and this is my answer. Very simple. I am doing one more question with you and it will make your concept more clear. Okay. See, now the C part is given 2 hours is to 1 day. Now again, you would have recognized which unit is smaller. This is hours and this is day. So which unit is smaller? Hours is smaller and day is bigger. So it means I will go back to my conversion. I know my 1 days is equals to 24 hours. My 1 days is equals to 24 hours. So come back to it. I will write over here solution. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, now here I do not need to do any second step because already 1 day is given. If it would 2 days, अगर यहाँ पे 2 days होता तो I would have written 2 days over here is equals to 24 multiplied by 2 और फिर hours में I would have converted. But now since it is given only 1 day only, so I will just place the actual value. So 2 hours is to 24 hours. Both the units are similar, hours and hours. I changed this day into hours. Now I can simplify it from which table? I can simplify it with 2 times table. Divide by 2. 2 ones is 2, 2 12s. I cannot simplify it further, so I will write it over here. And this is my answer. Very simple, very easy. Okay, let's see D part. Okay, now D part say 40 minutes to 1 hour. Please do not get confused. This 2 and 2 dots both means same. So whether I write 2 or whether I write this 2 dot, both means same. 40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, now again look at both the units are different. So I have to convert the unit. Minutes is smaller, hours is bigger. I will go back to my conversion units. It says 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So I will write over here solution and I will say 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Here again 1 hour is given. If here it was 2 hours, so I would have multiplied in the next step, but since it is 1 hour only, it is already converted in the first step. So I will write my original question, which says 40 minutes is equals to 60 minutes. 40 minutes is to 60 minutes. Both the units are similar. I can simplify it. 0 cancels from 0. 4 is left. 6 is left. It could be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. I cannot solve it any further. So this is my final answer. Very simple, very easy. Okay. Now let's look at another part.